welcome back to Landland's World. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy grilled rack of ribs. Let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start off with our dry rub. We're just going to go ahead and rub this all over the ribs front and back. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our wet ingredients, starting with our Haitian Epis and also some Mojo. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and put the ribs to boil. And all the marinade sauce, we're going to go ahead and pour all of that in as well. And we're going to let it boil for about 30 minutes. Okay, so now that it's been boiling for about 20 to 15 minutes, I did go ahead and turn it over on its back. You can see that it's getting nice and tender. We're just going to go ahead and let it boil for another 15 to 20 minutes. So now it has been boiling for an additional 15 minutes. So now we're just going to go ahead and get it over to the grill. Okay, so the sauce that it made, we're going to go ahead and use some of that. So don't discard it just yet. Alright, so now time to grill this bad boy. So we're just going to go ahead and put it on its back side first, and we're going to grill it for about 10 to 15 minutes. About 15 minutes, I did go ahead and turn it over so on the front so it can grill, and we're going to leave this for about 10 to 12 minutes. about after 12 minutes, I did go ahead and give it a check. It's looking great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get started on our barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna let this grill for another 3 minutes. Okay, so now for our barbecue sauce. So what I did was I used some of that sauce from earlier, and I added my favorite barbecue sauce. Mix this in, bring it to a boil, and get it onto the ribs. Now our ribs are looking amazing. So now all I'm gonna go ahead and do is pour the barbecue sauce on top, and that's it, you guys. Our easy grilled rack of ribs recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.